our second term session of mathematics. Hope you have fully enjoyed your Diwali vacations. Now, from today we will start our second term syllabus. Okay, so in our second term syllabus, first means our seventh lesson is geometry. So in this lesson geometry, we will study all about the different shapes, basic shapes, different types of their different types of examples based on these basic shapes. Okay, so in previous classes, see your page number 119. In previous classes, you have already studied about triangle, rectangle, circle and square. These are the very basic fundamental these shapes. Okay, so everybody knows these shapes. First one is triangle, second one is rectangle, third one is circle, fourth one is square. So triangle having three equal sides. Okay, equal or unequal sides, but it is having three sides, that is called as triangle. Rectangle, in this rectangle opposite sides are of equal length, means opposite sides are equal, that is called as rectangle. Then circle, very simple, only single circle is there, so that is very simple one. And square is having all the four sides equal, that is called as square. So these are the basic functions of this fundamental shapes. Okay, then we will see the basic shapes of geometry. Okay, what are the basic shapes of geometry? First one is curved lines. Curved lines that we can draw with our hands only, or that is we can call it as freehand drawing. We do not need here any kind of scale. Okay, and free any type of shape. These are nothing but these curved lines. So we are not using here any type of scale, and there is no measurement for these curved lines. Okay, so these are also known as bent lines. These are the bent lines. These are not the straight lines. These are totally bent lines. Okay, and what is the basic shape number 2? That is straight lines. So straight lines we can draw with our hands, and if any measurement is given, suppose we have to draw a single line of 5.2 centimeter. So what we will do? We will take our scale and we will count 5.2 centimeter, and then we will draw one straight line. Okay, so this starting and this straight line we can increase from both the sides. See, these are the arrows. We can increase this line from this side also and from this side also. Now see, this is also straight line. We can draw with our hand, or we can draw with the help of scale. That is called as straight line. So we can increase from this side also. We can draw this straight line from downside also. And again this straight line we can draw in any direction. Okay, so we can draw straight line in this direction also. Okay, using our scale or by practice we can draw this straight line by our hands also. So these are the two basic shapes, curved lines and straight lines. Okay, very simple it is. So we will see the next page now. Now see your page number 120. So what is given on this page number 120? 2D shapes. 2D shapes means what? Two-dimensional shapes. So we will see one by one. Our first shape is square. So what is the name of this square? Name of this square is ABCD square. Okay, so we can see here square, as I already told you, all the four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sides are equal. That is called as a square. Now see, side AB equal to side BC equal to side CD equal to side D. So these are the four sides of a square. These are totally equal in length. That is why it is called as a square. And where these two lines meet at one point. So for example, this CD line and this AD line, where this AD and CD line joins, that point is called as vertex. That point is called as vertex. So this vertex, this is called as vertex D, this is called as vertex C, vertex B, vertex A, because all these two lines, they are joining at one point. That point is called as vertex. Okay, so this is known as a square. So always remember, when you have to draw with the help of your scale and pencil one square, so we have to take the same measurement. Suppose this is 4 centimeter. So suppose AB is 4 centimeter. So we have to draw this BC also 4 centimeter. Then again CD is also we have to draw 4 centimeter. Again this AD we have to draw 4 centimeter. So with the help of scale we can measure 4 centimeter every time, and we have to draw this 4 centimeter square properly. So we have to be very careful when we are drawing this square. With the help of scale we can do it correctly. So don't take tension, use one scale. Okay, now see, second two-dimensional shape is called as rectangle. As I told you, in rectangle, what is the condition? The opposite sides are equal. That is called as rectangle. Now see, what is the name of this rectangle? Name of this rectangle is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D rectangle. That is the name of this rectangle. So now again here this CD line side and this AD side, they are joining at this point. That point is called as vertex. So again this CD line and BC line, they are joining at this same point. That is called as C. That is called as vertex. Again this BC and this AB line, they are joining here at the point, this BC and AB. So again it is called as vertex B. Okay, so that means we are having total 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. Vertex. Okay, because at every corner these two lines, these two lines, these two lines are joining. That is called as vertex. Okay, so now in this case what happens? This here, now this is line AB, side AB, and this is side CD. Or we can say side DC also. No difference at all. Okay, so AB equal to DC means this AB side and this CD side or DC side is same. Suppose this AB side is of 3.7 centimeter. Okay, see this AB side is of 3.7 centimeter. So CD centimeter only. Okay, so because these two sides are opposite sides. And now see side BC and side AD. Suppose these two sides we have to draw 2.5 centimeter. Suppose we have to draw BC. This measurement of BC is 2.5 centimeter. So definitely we have to draw this side AD of 2.5 centimeter. That means opposite sides we have to draw. We have to take proper measurement with the help of our scale, and then we have to draw these opposite sides of equal measurement. Okay, so every time when you will draw a rectangle, you have to keep in mind that in rectangle these opposite sides are of equal length. Okay, now see third two-dimensional shape is called as a triangle. In triangle what happens? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are there. Sometimes these 3 sides may be equal in size, or sometimes it may be short, it may be long. This is also a triangle. So we cannot say that every time the shape of all these 3 sides that should be equal. No, that is not necessary. That is not the definition of this triangle. We can draw triangle of any shape. See, this is also one triangle. So measurement of this line, measurement of this line, measurement of this line is different. Okay, so what is we can say here triangle. Name of triangle is what? A triangle ABC. Okay, so now every time see this AB and BC line, these are joining here at this B point, so that's why it is called as vertex B. Okay, then this line AC and BC, they are joining here at this point. It is called as vertex. And line AB and line AC, these are joining at this A point, that is called as vertex. Okay, so in this triangle the total 3 vertices are there. 3 vertices. Which are 3 vertices of this triangle? A, B, C. Just I told you, where these 2 lines are meeting, that meeting point is called as vertex, and total 3 vertices are there. That's why we can call it as total 3 vertices are there in this triangle A, B, C. So, okay, now these are the sides. 3 sides are there, and that should not be equal. Sometimes they are equal, sometimes they are different. No problem at all. Okay, now see fourth two-dimensional shape is called as circle. So we are not needing to draw a circle, a scale. Without scale, we can draw our circle. That is very simple. No need of any measurement, and this circle that is not having any side, that is not having any corner. So that's why circle is not having any vertex, because no 2 lines, no 2 sides, no 4 sides are there. We cannot see any side properly here, and we can draw with the help of our hand. So in this circle we are not using any kind of scale. So with our hand also we can draw this circle. So in this circle, if we see this O point, that is the center point of this circle. Okay, so from this O A. See, this is one from this OA, the distance of OA, the distance of OB, the distance of OC, the distance of OD is the same. And this OA, OB, OA, OB, OC, OD, these lines are called as radius of this circle. Okay. So distance from any point of this radius means from that is the main point, that is called as center point of that circle is O, and distance from any this AC, this BD, at is that central O, from that this point O, that is the middle point of this circle. Okay, so O is called as the center of that circle. The total distance is the same. Okay, so we can say it is not having any type of side and any type of corner. That is called as circle. Now the fifth one is called as diamond. The name of this fifth two-dimensional shape is called as diamond. Okay, so diamond is having four sides. It is not compulsory that each and every side should be of same length A, B, C, D. The name of this diamond is A, B, C, D diamond. So here also we can say AD, this line AD and this line CD, they are joining at this D point, that is called as vertex. Again this DC and BC, they are joining here, that is called as vertex. Then CB and this AB, they are joining at this B point, that is called as vertex. Then BA and AD, that is joining here at this A point, that is called as vertex. So we can say here total A, B, C, D. So four vertices are there. Okay. So four sides are there, four corners are there. Corners means corners and vertex are there. So total A, B, C, D. Four vertex are there. Four vertex we cannot say. We can say four vertices are there in this diamond A, B, C, D. Okay. So these are the two-dimensional shape. So in the next period we will solve the exercise number 1. Thank you.